Hey guys, Josh Zamora here with the official demo video for SerpSling, and if you want to get more page one rankings and more traffic, then you are on the right page and you're going to want to pay close attention to this video because SerpSling is our new 3-in-1 web app that allows you to get fast page one rankings that stick for the long term by finding and analyzing profit producing keywords for you with pinpoint difficulty scoring. Plus, it fully exposes your competitors' ranking strategy so you can get free targeted buyer traffic from Google and YouTube at record speed. So let's go ahead and jump right into this and let me show you exactly how this works. The first thing you're gonna do is come over here to our keywords tab and click on the research tab. Okay, here you have two options. You could just jump right into perform your keyword research, or you can come here and put your different keywords in different campaigns. So if you are running multiple different sites, or you're using this for multiple different clients, you can ensure that you keep all of your different keyword research in different campaigns so that everything stays nice and organized. Now, the powerful thing about this as well is that you can go ahead and set not only the name, but the location, the language, and you can go ahead and automatically set your tracking details here so that when you use our rank tracker, it will automatically know which domains and which URLs you want to set those keywords to be tracked with. Okay, so here you can set the domains. Here you can set specific URLs. You can set the specific devices that you want our tracker to track on, the engines, which so for now is just Google. The interval, which means how often you want our rank tracker to check your rankings, and the location if you do want to track your local rankings as well. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that for now. Come back to the research tab and hit this plus sign here, and this is going to bring up 4 different options to allow you to have our app find profit producing keywords for you. Here we have our related searches, which is pretty much that option at the bottom of Google search results that show you what other people are searching for based on the keyword that you put into Google. So pretty much related searches, but these are low-hanging fruit, additional keywords that you may not have thought of that other real users are typing into Google to find similar information to what you're looking for. Okay. Our suggested engine is pretty much exactly that. It will take one keyword that you type into SerpSling. So if you're not really sure what niche or what keyword you want to target, you can come here, type in one keyword, and then our engine will suggest additional keywords for you based on that initial keyword. Here we have our ideas engine as well, which will take your seed keywords and first it will categorize it and then return keywords that also fit that categorization as well. Okay, so this might lead to less keywords that don't specifically contain your main keyword, but it is great for finding additional niches or sub niches within the main niche that you're looking to target. Okay, and then down here we have our custom option, which will allow you to do exactly that. If you know the specific keyword that you want to target or a list of keywords that you want to target, you can come in here, type them all out, and you'll be able to specifically do further research based on just those custom keywords that you want. All right, I'm going to go ahead and go with the related option there. And if you do ever want to change your mind, you can just go ahead and click this option again and then just move to whichever one you want to do instead. So I'm going to go ahead and do related. You can choose your location here as well, and you can see we have all the countries in here as well. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in United States. We have the option for you to choose the language as well. And then down here is where you put your seed keyword. So I'm going to go ahead and put how to remove mold as an example. And then here you also have the ability to choose how much keywords you want our engine to return back to you. So if you want 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, all the way up to 1,000. Now, obviously, depending on which package you purchase, you'll want to adjust accordingly. And also, the more keywords that you select for the engine to return back to you, the longer that research will take. Okay, usually only a few minutes, but it does take a little bit longer the more that you extend this option. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at 100 for now. Go ahead and hit start. And there you go. Within a matter of seconds, you can see that it returned back 100 keywords based on this initial keyword that I put in there. And again, since I selected suggested keywords, these are all additional keywords that other people type into Google that I may not have thought of myself. And right off the top here at the beginning, 10 warning signs of mold toxicity. Okay, this looks like a great keyword right from the start. The difficulty score of 7, which is a very easy keyword to rank for. And right away, this is not only a great keyword, but it's a great hook. Okay, it's pretty much a fear blog post that you can rank around, and then on the page have different ways that people can go ahead and remove mold after you let them know the 10 warning signs of mold toxicity. Okay, you can see there's a search volume of 33,000, and if you wanted to, you can go ahead and then go deeper into this by clicking the magnifying glass, and this is going to give you additional information for this particular keyword. Okay, and you can see the search trend. All right, so it does seem to have a consistent search trend and an up and down search trend, probably depending on the time of year. All right, and then here on the right hand side, it gives you the average backlinks of what it'll take to pretty much rank on the first page of Google. Okay, and you can see it doesn't take much to rank for this keyword, and right away it tells you that this is a very easy keyword with our difficulty scoring engine. Down here you can get the SERP results, which will give you the top 10 results for this particular keyword. And then you can see here are the top 10 results, which will pretty much let you know what is ranking right now on the first page of Google. And if this was a local based term, it will give you the local results as well. Now here you can see the title for this one is ranking at the top, but the title is not very optimized for this particular keyword, so that's a great sign. Position number 2 is also a great sign. It has the majority of the keyword, but not the full keyword because it's missing the number 10 on there, and the URL also doesn't contain the number 10. Okay, so this does seem like a good keyword that may be pretty simple to rank for based on just looking at this right away. And to go even deeper into this, you can put your mouse over any URL, and you can see that you can visit the URL, you can analyze the URL's backlinks, you can analyze the domain's backlinks, and you can analyze the URL competition and the domain competition. We also have that option to do so by coming here on the left hand side. You can go to backlink analysis and competitive analysis, competition analysis, which will give you the same information. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and just stay on this page and analyze this URL's backlinks. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and hit start. So that automatically took me to the backlink analysis page, and this is going to give me an even clearer picture of what it's going to take to rank for this particular keyword. All right, so now I'm pretty much inspecting or going deeper into the number one ranking URL for that particular keyword, and you can see it's still telling me low URL rank, and it does have a low spam rank. Okay, you can see it has a total of 3 backlinks, 2 referring pages, 2 referring domains, 2 referring root domains, 2 referring IP addresses, and 2 referring subnets. And here are the exact URLs where this person is getting backlinks from. Not only does it show me the exact URL, but it tells me the exact anchor text that they're using and the additional stats for this particular URL as well. So as long as I can get better backlinks, use better anchor text, and get backlinks from stronger websites, I can go ahead and outrank this site. Okay, and you can see here this second anchor text doesn't even have any of the target keywords in it. So this is a very, very good keyword. Right away, within a matter of minutes, I found a great keyword that I can rank for. Not only rank for, but I can monetize with multiple different mold products as well. Okay, so from here we can also take it a step further. Okay, and go to our competitive analysis option, and go ahead and hit this plus sign here. We're gonna use URL. We're gonna use this same target URL. We're gonna hit start. And now this is gonna take me even further and tell me everything that I wanna know about this particular URL. So you'll see that this particular URL is targeting multiple different keywords, okay? And it exposes their entire keyword strategy. So from one keyword, I can now fully expose all the different keywords that this URL is ranking for or trying to rank for, and find additional keywords that I can target as well, assuming that of course they are easier to rank for. But you can see right away that a lot of these are difficult to rank for, so within a few seconds I can make quick decisions and realize that this is probably the best keyword for me to go ahead and rank for. So I'm gonna go ahead and star that keyword, but you can see how you can not only find great keywords, but you can analyze the competition. You can see exactly what strategy they use to rank for that keyword. Then if you want to take it a step further, you can go ahead and fully expose everything that they're doing, not only at a URL level, but if I were to go by the domain level, then it will tell me everything that this entire domain is trying to rank for, where they're ranking, the search volume, the difficulty for the keywords that they're ranking for, absolutely everything. And here on the top right, it will tell me everything about their ranking as well. So how many keywords are ranking in position 1, how many in position 2 to 3, 4 to 10, 11 to 20. So you can get a full overview of how well not only any URL is ranking, but how well a specific domain is ranking. All right, so that's just a quick overview, bird's eye view of how easy it makes things for you to be able to know exactly what it takes to rank for particular keywords. And to take it even further, you can come here to our affiliate offers tab, which is a limited time bonus that we are offering. And if we go ahead and type in mold here, just to keep with the same example, you'll be able to immediately find mold related affiliate programs that you can go ahead and monetize your site with as well. Okay, and you'll be able to use our affiliate finder to immediately find offers for any niche that you're looking to target as well. All right, so very, very powerful platform that we've built here that truly not only allows you to find powerful keywords that you can target, it will allow you to analyze those keywords. It will give you immediate difficulty scoring, so you can within seconds know which ones to target just by go ahead and looking at the difficulty score. And you'll be able to fully expose your competitors' rankings by seeing exactly what backlinks they've built, what anchor text they've used, the authority of the sites that they're getting backlinks from, and absolutely everything that you need to go ahead and rank for those keywords. All right, so go ahead and secure this very special deal that we've got going on for SerpSling. Oh, and one more thing that I forgot to mention, we also have the ability for you to start tracking your rankings right away. Here on the top hand side, you just come here, you put in the keyword that you're targeting. You can go ahead and add the domain, the specific URL, and you can go ahead and set all the other information here, like the location, the language, the devices, the engines, and how often you want our platform to check your rankings. All right, so a full complete platform that allows you to quickly and easily find low competition, high profit keywords that you can rank for, not only quickly but for the long term, to get free targeted traffic from both Google and YouTube by knowing exactly what you need to do to rank for those keywords.